Good afternoon, everyone, on this Friday. No, it's been a while since we've done a video. It's been busy, but however, we're getting things done and putting a hedge of protection around our membership like we always do. Again, you're here with me today, Todd Dunn, your president, along with Vice President Marcus Shekels. If you have any questions, please reach out and call us, and or any comments, questions, or concerns. We always want to hear them. So first of all, again, we got a busy month coming up in the month of March. We got the first full week will be FOC. It's Financial Officers Conference. We got a lot of questions that we're going to get out, especially with the ones about the watches, those retiring, any new information that we've got to bring back to the membership as far as letting you all know in transparency, like these are the things that we're looking out for. Here's some of the new guidelines. We'll be sure and bring that to the membership. Second week, we got National Forward. So it's time for us, National Forward meetings. We can bring our sub-councils together. We'll be meeting, talking about things gone right, things gone wrong, stuff with our contracts. There's a lot of important information we need to do, or utilize, learn and take care of. There's some things we need to change as far as our National Forward, but we'll make those changes and we'll bring them back and let you know what happened. Third week, we've got the Spring CAP Conference. Again, it's back out of town in Texas, so in Region 8, once we get done with that conference, we'll bring back information. I won't be going to that myself, but Vice President Shekels will be going leading that delegation. We've got to double up, take care of business here at home as well. Picnic T-shirt contest. If you haven't seen it, you should see it online on the UAW app. Again, we're putting more and more information out on the app. Please get on there. It's where your one-stop shop of information is. So there's a Picnic T-shirt contest, a $100 gift certificate. I've got a little something I want to give as well. But we're working on our UAW picnic. It's going to be held August the 25th. August 25th, 12 to 4 p.m. at the KTP Union Hall. Again, like we did last year, it was a big success. We're bringing some new and improved food. If you thought last year's food was good, I heard it from a lot. It was great. We got some new attractions. I think it's going to be exciting this year for the membership to go and enjoy. But we want to try and make that T-shirt. So that T-shirt that we give out every year, excuse me, that is the picnic design. And then we'll also not only give you credit, we'll put on there design by on this shirt. So I want to make sure that the membership knows they have that opportunity. So if you would, please sure and get those to us. Kentucky Saves 529 Fund, Education College Tuition Program. They'll be coming back to our next union meeting at the KTP Union Hall, letting us know some of the new programs that they've got available. It's a great opportunity to save tuition, especially for those children that you plan on having or a young child right now that you're working on trying to save for. We do have a special offer, so we've been working on this perk for probably 2 months. The last union meeting, we had Speedy Car Wash come in. They're really working on upping their game to be the best in town. I think they are. They have an awesome business plan. They came in, met with our membership, gave out free car washes. Every single member from UAW Local 862, active or retired, will have a $24.99, $25 value, no strings attached, just under $500,000 worth of free car washes for everyone to go and get. You can get that by getting on the app. Vice President Shekels, you've got that going out. You're going to have the explanation on that, right? Mm-hmm. You'll see the flyer. But anyways, every single person will be able to get a free car wash, UAW Local 862. And that's not, you don't have to go and buy anything. You don't have to purchase anything. You don't have to give them your name. This is just for a free car wash. Now, if you're interested in getting one of the top 2 tiered car washes, and we had a lot of members that came to the union meeting, they're actually letting theirs expire and then getting right back on with a 20% discount off 20% off those 2 top tiers. So it's a great opportunity for the membership, and we'll have that out on the app as well. Month of discounts, right, for the month of March, up to 40% off additionally at the Shepherdsville exit for the Columbia store. I know Vice President Shekels, I know Rodney James, our financial secretary, has also been out there a lot working on helping with our discounts. So Marcus has led this year-long effort on discounts, and right now up to 40% off, even more than our normal discount, and that is through the month of March. So if you head south on 65, the Shepherdsville exit, make a right, go through the first light, there's second, turn left into that shopping center. It's right next to Ace Harbor. You can't miss it. Want to have a thank you for the solidarity and support to our members, right? Both KTP and LAP, especially the Kentucky Truck Plant. Appreciate you being persistent and understanding some of the time constraints with the logistics of the local agreement. I know we had some calls like, why didn't we get a UAW notice on us getting a tentative agreement? So you got to figure from last Friday when we had some issues happen and we had some discussion to moving through the weekend and talking about what we had on our plate for our negotiations. Then Monday, International comes in, has conversation with us and shares at 11:15 that we're going to be going on strike. It was a very, very close window of time and the complexity is high, but we wanted to make sure, one, we had protection for the membership. Two, we had our plan ready, prepared. It was already, we dusted it off in case we needed to go on strike, knowing that we shouldn't have to, because especially with what Ford Motor Company would lose in a day, it'd probably pay for 3 or 4 local contracts, but just knowing we had that leverage. 3, trying to get the language completed and get it formatted. Today, we actually got that information off this morning to Farley Printing. They'll be putting together the print today. They'll have it dry over the weekend. They'll do folding and stapling on Monday morning, and we'll get those highlight booklets ready. We'll bring them into plant. Later on today, around 1, 2 o'clock, you'll see the UAW 862 Kentucky Truck Plant highlights posted electronically on the app. If you're not on the app, give us a call at the Union Hall. We'll help get you on there. Marcus Shekels and Brother Cotton, Greg Cotton at LAP can help you get on there. That's why we really want our membership to get on there 100%, but that's where it's going to be out electronically. You'll be able to share that. You can actually print that off if you will. Isn't that correct, Vice President Shekels? Yep. Yeah, so you'll be able to print it off if you want. And then we got another 6,000 copies ready to come in hopefully Monday morning. So we know not everybody will want to get a copy. We want to be effective with our membership. If we need to get more copies, we can. But we're getting them to you as fast as possible. And then we'll be having elections at the end of next week. So please bear with us. We're putting everything together. We got town halls coming. John Jaggers and the bargainers have done a great job looking at the agreement and how much agreements are costed. I would believe this is probably the richest agreement I've seen in my 29 years. After you take the uniforms out in that program. So great job, bargainers, and we'll delve into the everything else as soon as we can with the membership. So just want to say thank you so much, because leverage equals power. Power equals us being able to get a local agreement. Profit sharing, local contract ratification vote. You're going to see new voting machines. So Vice President Shekels and the election committee were over there. They were looking at the new machines coming in. It's going to be the same type of machine, but different procedures and doing the process. It's some of the ones that you've seen latest in your own voting, right, at your voting precincts, whether you're voting for what candidate, right, living in your area. So machines are nice. They look good. And they should be a seamless transition. Profit sharing checks, March 10th. It is what it is. When we got the power to go and get an agreement and get a profit sharing check, it's because of the leverage we have with the membership. It's a UAW benefit. So please enjoy that profit sharing check. I know a lot of people have got plans. I do myself. So I know the UAW benefit, that's what that is. I was able to get that for you. UAW Local 862 Black Bass Tournament, Sunday, April the 28th. If you get a chance, get one of those flyers. We'll have that also put that on. Can we get that out today, Vice President Shekels? Mm-hmm. All right, we'll get that out today. There's a deadline as well to get that in. I know it's a pretty popular event. We've got local political endorsement meeting this Saturday, 8 a.m. It's for the Greater Louisville Central Labor Council. We're going to have it at the Teamsters 783 location off of Smyrna Road behind that car lot. If you get off Smyrna, head towards town, it's about 2 miles down on your right. Get ready for St. Patty's Day Parade again. Last year, it was definitely a hot event to go to. We're doing 100 shirts. We'll have those shirts available. March the 9th, 9:30 a.m., 9:30 a.m. at the LAP Unit Hall. 10 a.m. we'll leave. We'll head down to Mid-City Mall, realign again. We'll pull out of there right around about 10:30, probably 10:45 at the latest. Get ready for a noon start. Also, want to let everybody know Congressman McGarvey got a plant tour coming up second weekend in March. We'll come around. Hopefully you'll see us walking there. Congressman McGarvey has been a huge supporter of us, especially during the strike, and I know a lot of members are excited to see him in the plant. So we'll be on the line here before you know it. ONC Heyman Scholarship is definitely out. Make sure you get that scholarship. We've got the question there and ready, so we got that deadline coming up. We got the paint party event also Saturday, March the 9th. It's sold out. You can't get in there, so it's going to be a great time. If you want to volunteer and help come and make things run smoother, just get a hold of Jay Henry, and hopefully he'll be able to utilize you. With that, we've got a union negotiated holiday, 3/29, Good Friday. Enjoy that holiday negotiated for you by the UAW. And also union negotiated holiday for 4/1. So that's also Easter Monday. So thank you very much. It's been a long report, but I want to make sure that we caught everybody up. Have a wonderful day. Remember to work safe and solidarity.